Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Dropbox file transfer notifications private and prevent them from showing up on your phone's lock screen, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to hide those notifications quickly and easily. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and notification preferences. Next, scroll through and tap on Apps. This will give you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Find and select Dropbox from the list. Since you want to manage Dropbox notifications, this is the place to be. Once in the Dropbox app settings, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see different notification categories related to Dropbox activities. Now, look for Notification Categories and tap on it. This is where you can control specific types of alerts Dropbox sends you. Among the notification categories, find and tap on File Transfer. This category specifically handles alerts about files being uploaded or downloaded through Dropbox. After that, select Lock Screen. This option controls how notifications appear when your phone is locked. Finally, choose Don't Show Notifications. By selecting this, your Dropbox file transfer notifications will no longer appear on the lock screen, keeping your activity private and your lock screen clean. And that's it. You've successfully hidden Dropbox file transfer notifications from your lock screen. This simple process helps maintain your privacy, while still allowing notifications to appear when your phone is unlocked if you prefer. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and pick a different lock screen notification setting. Thanks for watching.